The first key to being a professional lock picker is get a key. That was a joke. Alright, take two. The first key. Outtakes. Okay. Take three. The first take. Oh my god, I'm messing up. Put this in the blooper reel. I'm running off of pure sadness and anxiety. Second key to being a locksmith is finding somebody with the last name Smith. You gotta get a good lock, you know. This is a real shit lock, you know. It's made by some children's hands in Bangladesh. You wanna get a good American-made, American steel lock somewhere like in Kentucky, you know, where they got good molds that they pour the steel into. This is made by children's hands. It's no good. It was very cheap though, so that's why they use it. Did you know your stomach makes two things, poop and vomit?